Hi all, this is GATE 2020 Electrical Engineering question number 10. Question is, the revenue and expenditure of four different companies P, Q, R and S in 2015 are shown in the figure. If the revenue of company Q in 2015 was 20% more than that in 2014 and company Q had earned a profit of 10% on expenditure in 2014, then its expenditure in million rupees in 2014 was blank space. Options are option A 32.7, option B 33.7, option C 34.1, option D 35.1. So to solve such kind of data interpretation question, we should have some basic information like revenue, expenditure, profit and loss. So I will discuss this in brief. First thing is revenue. Revenue, the total amount of sum generated by the sale of goods by the company. Expenses, the total amount of money invested by the company. Profit or loss, it is the amount of income or loss respectively that remains after accounting of all expenses. Profit or loss equal to revenue minus expenditures. So these are few basic points which are very helpful to solve such kind of data interpretation question. Let's solve this problem. It is given in the bar graph that revenue of company Q in 2015 is equal to 45 million rupees. So note this point. Now assume that the revenue of company Q in 2014 is equal to X million rupees. So it is mentioned in the question that in 2015, revenue of the company is increased by 20% from revenue of company Q in 2014. So we can easily state that revenue of company Q in 2015 equal to X plus 20% of X. So simplify this equation. X plus 20% of X means 20 by 100 multiplied by X. It will be equal to 1.2x. So in term of X, I have obtained the revenue of company Q in 2015, that is 1.2x million rupees. But from the bar graph, we have obtained that revenue of company Q in 2014 was 45 million. So we can equate this equation in terms of X with given data. Hence, we can write it 1.2x equal to 45, and further we can simplify it and we can obtain x equal to 45 divided by 1 by 2 and it will be equal to 37.5. Hence, the revenue of company Q in 2014 was X million rupees and the value of X is 37.5. So we can safely say that revenue of company Q in 2014 is equal to 37.5 million rupees. We have just obtained that revenue of company Q in 2014 was 37.5 million, and we also know that company Q had earned profit over its expenditure in 2014 10%. So we can obtain expenditure of company Q in 2014. It will be equal to revenue multiplied by 100 divided by 110. Further we can simplify it. Put the value of revenue of company Q in 2014, that is 37.5 million multiplied by 100 and divided by 110. Further it is simplified and we obtained that is 34.1. Expenditure of company Q in 2014 is 34.1. So answer of this question is option C, 34.1. Thank you.